Personal development is something I talk about a lot on my channel, and I love learning new personal development tips. I have read every single book about it. I could get my hands on my books and articles about them, so I loved learning them all. As someone who has been passionately committed to personal development for years, these changes have changed my life, and I know they can do the same for you. Many of these self-improvement tips are meant to mean that everyone will be able to find an idea for self-improvement that suits them. So in this video, I'll give you some tips on how to approach yourself, improving in a way that doesn't set you back through failure or frustration. I was hoping you could write me a comment and share your favorite self-help tips. Instead of trying to overhaul your whole life at once, you can focus on just a few things for a short period of time, such as a week or two. You can focus your resources on successfully transforming an area of your life, but not be overwhelmed and isolate yourself from those who are helping you to develop the kind of life you really want. First, delve deep into your personal finances and, once you have them under control, move on to your health. Isolate yourself from one or two of these, and you can focus on the resources needed to change them successfully. Before you go to bed and before you start your day, make a list of the goals you want to achieve and how you can see real results once you have developed a clear plan of how to achieve them. Write down some steps you think you are doing and pursue them as mini goals on the way to a bigger goal. Follow them systematically and try to write them down in the form of an action plan. You will find that your sense of fulfillment and confidence will increase considerably, and you will move from task to task faster. Setting a few manageable and achievable goals not only makes the job better but also life in general. Setting goals is what will take you forward in life and ensure that you can achieve your dreams. Focusing on your personal development increases your quality and makes it easier for you to turn dreams and wishes into reality. So many people have personal development goals but think they need to reach other milestones before they can really start. If you're ready to tackle your goals, be sure to read our guide to setting goals and planning your best year ever. You may find that you still have a lot of work to do, but your goals seem far too overwhelming. Think of all these objectives as one big task, and you may only see one or two areas that need improvement. There are ways to work on changing your body on a daily basis, but sustainability is one of the most important aspects of personal development, whether at work, in your personal life or in your life as a whole. The more you face it, the more the face has to bear the consequences of its actions, not only on its body but also on itself and its family. The goal of personal development is to increase your potential for success and to take advantage of your opportunities. Defining a personal development goal and drawing up a plan will help you to make full use of all the opportunities that are available to you and to make the most of these potentials. Leadership goals are similar, but they include identifying your development needs, learning opportunities, and formulating your action plan. By making time for important people in your life, doing actions that force you to perform better, and studying your growth and performance, you can practice your personal development skills, which will help you continue to climb the ladder of success. Many people do not reach all areas of personal development in their careers that can help them to achieve mastery in any area. This article covers personal skills that need to be developed and improved, as well as tips on how to discipline yourself as you move forward. Individual development programs, accompanied by a personal development coach, help you stay on the right track. You can see your personal progress in your career by setting goals, making plans and working towards those goals every day. When you consider a personal growth goal, consider the knowledge and resources you have in the workplace, as well as your goals for the future. If you want to be more productive, you should first track how you spend your time. Knowing what is most important to you helps you systematically plan what you need to do to achieve your personal development. An individual assessment is the first step to achieving your goals, so you can see where you need to manage time more effectively.